How to remove apps blocking access to Google Play. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually remove applications blocking access to Google Play. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So sometimes when you open Google Play Store, you could have the issues such as looks like another app is blocking access to Google Play. This is most likely due to a third-party app that you recently installed. So if there are any type of applications that you think is causing the issue, you can just try to delete those applications first, because in most cases those are the third-party apps. You can simply force close them by simply going to recent menu, seeing that which application is running in the background, and simply swipe them up in order to remove them from the background, and that should most likely fix it. Or else sometimes the issue is also caused by the Google Play update. So to fix this, all you need to do is just go to settings. Once you go to settings, you want to simply come over to apps, and then when you go to apps over here, you simply actually want to look for the option called Google Play Store. So over here, just look for Google Play Services and Google Play Store, tap on it, then go to storage, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Once you've cleared the cache files and data, come back and then just tap the three dots here, select uninstall updates, because if the issue is caused by a recent update, uninstalling the updates will help you solve it. Now for Google Play Store, if it doesn't work, then just look for Google Play Services again. Now this time when you go to Google Play Services, repeat the same steps. Go to storage, clear cache, and also go to manage storage, clear the data. Then you can just come back again, just tap on the three lines over here, then just tap on uninstall updates, and then it will uninstall the latest updates as well. Then after that, you can try updating Google Play Store by opening your Play Store over here, tapping the profile icon from the top right hand side, then just go into settings. When you go to about over here, you'll most likely find the option to update your Play Store. So tap on update Play Store. If your Play Store has an update, then it will most likely update the latest version of Google Play Store. So hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.